Furthermore, an increasing number of leading companies like Reliance, ITC, Hindalco, Vedanta, Coca-Cola, L&T, Zydus, Thermos Gruppen, ThyssenKrupp, and others, some of you are present here, are recognizing the importance of ESG and appointing dedicated sustainability officers to oversee and over these particular initiatives. I'm making this point because some of the companies have started appointing sustainability officers. I know Mahindra in particular has started this uh, initiative and many others are following the same. These to foster a broader adoption of sustainable business practices, industry bodies such as Chambers of Commerce, CII, FICCI, ASSOCHAM, and IMC, which I also represent, are taking proactive role in regular meetings, holding workshops and policy dialogues hosted by these organizations, which are also helping advocacy as well as CSG compliances by the practices. By integrating CSR and ESG initiatives and promotions, multi-stakeholder engagement, businesses can contribute meaningfully to long-term environmental and social well-being while strengthening their corporate reputation. Our heavy industries are becoming climate leaders. Steel production is adopting clean hydrogen-based technologies. Major companies now recycle nearly all their waste materials. Cement manufacturers are producing eco-friendly alternatives using industrial byproducts. Electrical vehicle sales are growing rapidly across the country, boosted by government support as well as other incentives. Breakthrough technologies are accelerating the change. Investments in carbon capture, innovation, converting waste into clean fuel, and smart factories using artificial intelligence are also dramatically improving our energy efficiency. There are many layers of sustainability: political and social, economic, communal, and individual. Let me cite a few examples. At the political and social levels, global declarations such as those announced by various countries and governments at Paris, Bali, and Glasgow need to be encouraged. At the economic level, large corporations cited above are doing very good work. In fact, the investors are showing confidence in shares of those companies which are advocating ESG efforts. A recent initiative, which I don't know if any of you know, is starting Mumbai Stock Exchange is starting a social stock exchange as a good step in this direction. And a lot of investors are investing in those companies. Let me cite a CSR initiative taken by corporations. I know of one corporation which is purifying potable water in the villages. It has introduced a simple filtration system which works without electricity by utilizing a simple membrane of natural material and with an overhead tank. The capacity of filtration and purification can be anywhere from 800 to 2,000 liters per hour. The particular corporations I'm talking about is part of the CSR. I'm associated with them, and we then put up this installation in villages, and after 5 years it is gifted to the village as part of their drinking water, so that it cures several of the waterborne diseases. In my family town of Patan in North Gujarat, with a population of only about 150,000, a charity trust, Ram Rahim, organizes regular meetings in mahallas and pols to present cleanliness and sanitary practices. Once again, in this trust, we as a family have also donated funds so that these activities at the village level are also encouraged. Parents and school teachers also have a vital role to play in India in advocacy as well as in creating awareness amongst their children in these two areas of sanitary cleanliness and health awareness. As we enter a new era of national progress, our collective responsibility is clear. Industry should set ambitious climate goals. If leading companies can target carbon neutrality, others can also follow. Citizens must choose sustainable products and hold business accountable. Friends, green manufacturing isn't just about environmental protection. It's about securing our children's future while establishing India as the world's sustainable industrial leader. From rural biorefineries to advanced smart factories, we are writing a new manifesto. Make in India, make green, make forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tanil Kilachand. Well, we skipped on his introduction, and now I'm going to forward it with Mr. Tanil Kilachand, a seasoned industry leader, brings over 5 decades of experience in management, project implementation, and corporate governance. His academic journey includes a B.A. from Cambridge University in history and law, complemented by an M.B.A. from Harvard Business School in 1961. Throughout his illustrious career, he has held significant positions, including a managing director, chairman, and executive chairman in various companies. Mr. Tanil Kilachand has been actively involved in numerous chambers of commerce and served as the president of Indian Merchants Chamber. His contribution extended beyond corporate realms, as he has also been associated with various charitable trusts and holds directorial or chairmanship roles in several companies. His leadership and extensive industry knowledge continues to shape his role in steering organizations towards sustainable growth and operational growth. Well, the man who stood right here was a 5-decade of information, a decade, I must say, beyond corporate realms, as written and mentioned, a legend, a living legend in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much once again, sir. It is good to see you again.